Yeah, thank you very much, and Soko TV, for this auspicious chance just to talk about myself. My name is Dr. Ben Gigi. I'm a PhD holder from the University of Nairobi in Business Administration. I'm also the National Treasurer of NGA, which is the New Generation Aspirants, a group of vibrant young and men and women who are interested in politics. We also have new generation leaders within NGA who wish to come and change the status quo in this current government. I'm also passionate with national matters. I'm running for the gubernatorial position of the Nairobi City County. The people of Kenya have the sovereign power. The county residents of Nairobi have the sovereign power to elect the governor, and if the governor does not solve the challenges of the people of Nairobi, then we have a problem. You saw the other time the governor of Nairobi having problems with the toy market, and there was a fire there. He was not able, he promised iron sheet, he promised to restructure that market, but he was not able to. Such issues like fires in Kikomba market, in toy market, and all those other markets, we have seen issues. We have seen high-rise buildings coming within the areas of Hurlingham, Kilimani, and many other places like Parklands. So the current sewerage was designed for only approximately 400,000 people in Nairobi. Right now, the population of Nairobi 4 million, and we have people coming in and out of Nairobi, which comes to around 7 million people coming in and out of Nairobi. So the social amenities have been compressed in such a way that we are not able to handle the city in an amicable way.